Hey guys, today I want to show you how to put a red star button in your BMW M340i. So inside the kit you get the button, a screwdriver, and inside this weird wrapper with the cow you will get this rubber sort of gooey substance. I already unpacked it because it took forever to rip the bag apart. What you gotta do is supposed to put this over the button so it sticks very well. So to reiterate, I'm supposed to pull with this gooey substance, like stick it on and pull it out, right? And then use a screwdriver just in case if it doesn't like fully come out, right? Because you have to be very careful not to damage your surface, that's right next to the button. So that's what I was trying to do here. Okay. There you go. So it was kind of hard, so I had to do it multiple times. I don't know, probably because my sticky thing is too small or something. I don't know. It took me a while, but so here's the new button, right? Technically, what you're supposed to do is just put it through like this and stick it inside. There you go. That's it. So this is what it looks like when it's all finished and done. Definitely adds a little bit of a more sporty vibe to the car. But yeah guys, if you like the video, please subscribe, leave a like. I'll see you next time.